In this video, I'll be showing you how to screenshot on your Windows or PC. If you have been wanting to learn how to easily screenshot on your Windows or PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of more educational guides and contents like this. And the first thing you need to do if you want to learn how to screenshot on your PC is to head over to the search bar, to the search box on your Windows, and search the sniping tool. Yeah, this is it. So once I've open this sniping tool, you can see this is for the record option, which I'm using to record this video at the moment now, and I made a video about that in this channel, so ensure you watch it to learn how to record on your PC. So what you need to do is to click here, right? This is for the screenshot. Then you tap this new button and you drag it, right? You drag it. So yeah, we just took a screenshot now, so you can come here and save it. So yeah, this is basically how you can screenshot on your PC. If you found this video helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. See you guys in the next one. Peace.